Avatarly AI. This tool will let you create a stylish avatar in seconds. Just upload one image and get a pack of looks in seconds. Customize with multiple styles and facial expression to suit your needs. Unlock new profile photo with one click. So let's start the video. So firstly you will have to search Avatarly AI profile maker in the iOS and you will have to install it. After installing you will have to open it. Then this kind of interface will come. Then here you will have to upload a face. So you will have to click on add face photo. So click on add face photo. And I uploaded the photo. You can crop the face. If the face got crop, then close. Firstly you will have to agree with terms and condition. And then click make avatars. And see the magic. See, it took hardly 3 to 4 seconds and see the avatars. This is amazing, guys. And you can just simply download it from here. You can just see. These are amazing results. You can download anyone you want. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate again. I'm 100% satisfied with the result. So I don't want to regenerate. From the one credit, they have generated 12 avatars. These are amazing. So you can add any faces you want and you can make amazing AI avatars. So this application is only for iOS user. So I have given the link in the description. And here is the pricing.